Welcome to Channel 22 News.
This is our first video.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Mackenzie.
And today we'll be talking about weather changes.
Okay, Maddie, hasn't it been weird how it's gone like hot to cold? Like just this weekend, it was like 70 degrees, and now it's like snowing.
The reason of that is because in March, all the weather, it changes because there's different currents. There can be a hot change or a really snowy cold. There can either be a tornado.
I mean, weather, you really don't know what's going to happen.
No, especially in certain states, especially in March. There's so many different currents
Especially
going
with
through the
spring
wind.
coming up, it's kind of weird because it's getting warmer, it's getting rainier, so it's kind of all mixed up.
Yeah, so when you have from winter to spring, you have to go from cold to warm. So it's going to change. It's going to get mixed up, and there's going to be certain weather
It's kind of like
conditions.
some of the winter left behind.
Yes, very much.
Okay, that concludes our episode of Channel 22 News. See you next time. Bye.